Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get free connects on Upwork. First, you need to build a 100% complete profile. Upwork rewards profiles that are fully filled out because they attract more clients. Start by going to your profile settings and upload a clear and professional photo. Make sure you are smiling and look friendly. This helps build trust. After that, add at least 10 relevant skills. Also include your work history, education, and upload samples to your portfolio. The more complete your profile is, the better your chances. Once your profile is complete, you can qualify for the Rising Talent Badge. Upwork gives 30 free connects when you earn this badge. To qualify, make sure your profile is at 100% and pass the readiness test. Then, send high-quality proposals to jobs that match your skills. Always reply quickly to messages to maintain a high response rate. Also keep your availability set to available. Another method is enabling promo code notifications. Go to your notification settings and turn on marketing emails. Sometimes Upwork sends free connect codes through email. If you receive a code, go to the Buy Connects page, enter the code, and apply it. Thanks for watching.